Hello, today we are going to unplug a bathroom sink, otherwise known as a basin. First off, you have an overflow on your basin that you have to plug. This sink is just a little slow flowing, so it's just a matter of taking a damp cloth, pushing it tight against the overflow, which could be located here or there, squeezing it off, taking your plunger, pushing your plunger down, and actually pulling up on it. There's a foreign matter that's in there, you can see. And pulling up on it actually draws the material out of the drain, and you are better off if you can take it out, because it's going to prevent future problems as far as letting in the material go into the system any farther. But if that happens, there's a good possibility it'll go through as well. And there's a few items right there. Let's see. Do a little test on it. That's not bad material. And there you have it. I usually do a test, fill the sink up, and this is just a $3 plunger that I bought. Just a cup. It's wide open, so it allows it to go over the drain. A toilet plunger has a sort of a spud that comes out of the bottom of it and allows you to fit it into the toilet better, but this one's just for the drain itself. Still a little slow. This works 9 out of 10 times. Works on kitchen sink drains and basins. One thing to keep in mind, if you're plunging a kitchen sink, you have to plug off. If it's a double sink, you have to plug off the other side of the sink and plunge one side. Take the stopper and push down on it. Stay away from the acids that they use for drains. They don't do anything for the environment or yourself, and people have been seriously burnt. And that's it for the drain. Have a good day.